The print features a 3D angel-like design, showcasing intricate details. Close-ups highlight the complex shading techniques used. These techniques create a realistic three-dimensional effect. Golden design elements on the back are emphasized. These elements enhance the medieval fantasy theme. The overall design aims for a strong visual impact. The focus is on the construction of a long-sleeve t-shirt, highlighting key design elements. The round neck design is a central feature, providing a classic, versatile style. Washable fabric ensures ease of care and maintenance for regular use. Durable stitching and seams enhance the garment's longevity and comfort. The t-shirt is styled for various occasions, showcasing its versatility. It can be paired with outfits for casual daily wear. Styling includes options for Gothic-themed events. The t-shirt can also be styled for Renaissance fairs. Target audience: men interested in unique graphic designs, suitable for spring weather and cool clothing styles.